In this video we're gonna use Author AI to integrate ChatGPT straight into Divi, and they've done an excellent job. So we're gonna start right now. To integrate the power of AI to our Divi website, we need a plugin. So we go to wpressdoctor.com/AI Divi and press enter. By using this affiliate link, you won't pay anymore, but I will be grateful to you forever. And then we are at the website of Divi Modules with their newest, latest innovation, Author AI. Now we can choose to buy this at the Divi Marketplace for $39, or we can just buy a lifetime single license for $45. Well, I know what is the best choice. If you have more websites you want to use this on, then you should use the lifetime unlimited. But we're going with the lifetime single. So I'm going to click on this one. And then we are at the checkout. You can pay with credit card or with PayPal, whatever you want. I'm going to use PayPal for this one. I'm going to just fill this out. And then I'm going to create an account also like this. Just choose a very strong password and agree to the terms and press on pay it. But we're going to click on this button over there to download the actual plugin. Log into your WordPress website. If you're still using WP Admin, that's not a very safe way. You don't want to get hacked, so please watch my tutorial about WordPress security right there. Exactly what I mean. This is security. Then we go to plugins. We're gonna add a new plugin over here. And then we're gonna upload the plugin we've just bought from Divi Modules. We hand press install now. Activate plugin. And then we have to add in our license, so we press activate now. And then over here you can see the Author AI lifetime license. So we're gonna copy this thing and fill it in over here. Press activate. And then it has been activated. And then we need to go to ChatGPT over here. As you know, we need of course an API key. So we're going to get it, click on find out more. Then you go to openai.com. In here we're gonna click on this button, sign up. And another tab will be open, and in here we're just going to add in a new email address from you. Then we're going to create a really strong password and press continue. And then you need to go to your email and verify your email address. And we need to fill out some more information. And then we're going to click on continue. Then we have to verify our phone number. And then what we do is we click on API over here. To get your API code, we're going to over here, click on personal. And we go to view API keys. Click on it, and we're going to create a new secret key right there, and give it a name, for example, Divi AI, and press create secret key. And we're going to copy this API key, and back on WordPress, we're going to paste it in over there. Press check. Now we have a response from ChatGPT. This means that everything has been set up correctly. All right, after that, we press save settings over here, and then we can go to assistants. On the Assistants tab, you can use different kind of personas to prompt ChatGPT to write text from a different kind of persona types. Very useful to create. For example, we have an Assistant 2, which is actually a content writing, engaging, relatable, and accessible humor. Then we have a blogger over there, relaxed, engaging, better, friendly, conversational tone. We have a marketing manager, professional, knowledgeable, confident manner. Here you can actually create all this kind of personas, which is very, very useful in the long run if we're going to use this professionally on our website. The next thing is to go to prompts over there. And here you can add some quick prompts to just shoot at ChatGPT, and it will give you a reply instantly. This will actually speed up your process really quickly. You can change these prompts per module. For example, this is the text area, text editor, code editor, and custom CSS. This way you can let ChatGPT write some custom CSS to put it straight into your website. That is absolutely very useful. And when you go to products, here you can see even more products of the Divi modules, which actually is really nice to check out if you want to have more of them. All right, let's start creating our page with ChatGPT. We go over here to all pages. Let's say on my homepage, I still want to create different kind of text for my website. Well, here we go. We have all these kinds of products over here and all this commercial, but let's say I want to have even more below this section. We're going to create a new section with a new row, and I want some text in it. So I'm going to use the text module over there. And then you will see that there is an extra option added over here called Author AI. When I click on this one, I can now prompt ChatGPT from the default assistant or the content writer, a blogger, the marketing manager, everything, all the assistant that I just showed you. So let's create someone from the content writer. Now we can select or create a prompt for the AI, create a text, and then we're gonna press on this button, send this prompt to the AI. Now, let us see what we get back from ChatGPT. Just in 10 seconds, I have this text from ChatGPT. Why plant-based protein is actually better than protein from milk. This is actually pretty good. And also apply. And we see that the styling is not good, of course, so let's just add it in over here. One, and then of course this one. So we're gonna select this one. We're gonna make it a ordered list, and then we're just gonna style this page a little bit. And there we have it. Now we have our own text created by ChatGPT, plant protein versus cow protein, and 5 reasons why this is actually better. So this works actually pretty smart. So this is one way to use ChatGPT inside of your Divi website. But the beautiful thing about this is that you can use it for every kind of module within Divi. So we're gonna just press this one, for example, the accordion module. When I go over here and I'm gonna edit it, the title, I can use Author AI for the title, or here for new body text. We can use it for anything actually. It's pretty amazing. They have integrated Author AI with every single field of Divi, which makes your life as a content creator way, way, way easier. But Author AI can be used very good when creating new posts. So we go to Posts, Add New. How plant protein shakes helps you gain muscle. Let's use the Divi Builder. We're gonna build from scratch, and the first thing we're gonna do is, of course, add in a text module over there, and we're gonna let the ChatGPT create some text for us. And we're just gonna send this to ChatGPT over here. Just wait a little bit. So here we are with a beautiful text. We're gonna copy this and we're gonna apply it. And then of course we have to style it a little bit because it is not styled. And then we actually have quite a big text. So the people at Divi Modules did a really good job to integrate it into Divi. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I'll always reply. Hit that like button if I helped you out. And if you want to see more WordPress related videos, subscribe of course over there. And check of course this video, which is not generated by AI. It is not generated by AI.